Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. The reason I'm making this video is that it's been a long time that I haven't created a single video. I know that you guys know very well about me because I create English conversational videos especially. Sometimes solo videos, storytelling videos and all like that, right? So the reason I'm making this video because I just wanted to inform you that nowadays I'm just working on my project, and you all already know, like, there are people who knows me very well that what I do exactly. So I'm a kind of a trader, and I do a kind of trading as well. So I'm working on the same project about stock market, I mean to say that. So actually I was I've been working with some clients for a couple of months, and I have some plan to do something big in the stock market, even though I still there's a reason I mean to say I'm working on that. And the reason I'm working because I want to do something big, and I just want to make people financially independent. And even like I have promised many people that I will make them financially independent. But for that, I will have to be financially independent. Then I will be able to make them financially independent. So for that, I'm working on it, and I know that's going to be very hard because it's not easy task to do. When it comes to my English conversation videos, so let me tell you guys, I know I have a lot of list of people who just want to join my podcast, and they have been messaging me for a couple of weeks that why are you not taking session, why are you not talking to why are you not creating videos for your podcast, for like English conversation videos. So to be honest, I'm really sorry guys, I really apologize for the reason I would say the same reason that I've told you right now, that I'm working on it. I haven't got a time. I mean to say that I have got time, but I'm not able to utilize that time in a proper manner because most of the time of my day just goes like in trading. Like I do a lot of back testing, and I work on my project. I have created some strategies, so I'm working on that. I'm doing back testing for a couple of years, so I've been active on stock markets. In stock market, I would say. So I don't waste my time, to be honest. Like I just giving a lot of time to my industry that I want to get into it, and I wanted to get into it even though I am in the same industry, to be honest. Yeah. And nowadays, to be honest, I'm not doing any job, as I already told you in previous videos that I don't do any job. Earlier I would work in a corporate industry, like a BPO industry. As you can see, this kind of building, that this is a new building that's is going to be built. I mean, the construction work of this building is going on. Let's see how much time will it take to get it built. I don't know how much time will it take to build. Let's see. But I would say, but if anybody wants to have a conversation with me, like anybody wants to be a part of my podcast, you guys can message me. At least we'll keep in touch, and I will share my WhatsApp number. So just keep in touch with me. So whenever I get free time, I'll start taking session, and we'll be learning English language through conversational, because I'm also kind of English learner. I'm also learning English language for a couple of years, just because of my laziness that I'm not consistent on it. That's the reason I'm taking a lot of time, but I believe that I will start again and will do something big. And my intention is to make the big podcast. I want to be a big podcaster on YouTube, to be honest. Like it's not about English language, to be honest. Like I want to make changes in people's life, because being in Indian, like as an Indian, it's my responsibility, because I have seen a lot of struggle in my life. Even I see a lot of struggles in people's life every day, each and every day. So I know the condition of India, and I know a lot of people from like Africa and other countries, because I have a lot of connection across the world. So I know their condition as well. So I want to make people financially independent across the world. It's not about India that I want to help them. I want to help everyone out there, like whoever wants to help financially, I mean to say. So my goal is to make people financially independent. That's my dream, is that. And I make sure that within 5 years I'm gonna be a millionaire. this is a big commitment. I'm creating a video, I'm shooting a video in public. It needs a lot of courage to say it, to become a millionaire. It's not a cup of tea. Like, for that, I will have to work very hard. But I believe that I will achieve it within 5 years. But the reason I'm telling you that 5 years, because it's a kind of you can digest. Like, there are so many people who are not gonna digest is that 5 years is a very short period of time that nobody can be a millionaire. But I believe so. Anybody can be a millionaire within a year, not in 5 years. So I believe that I will be a billionaire. I mean, not billionaire, millionaire at least. Yeah, I will be a billionaire according to me within 5 years. But at least I'll be a millionaire. So for that, I will have to work hard, and I've been working really, really hard, bro. Guys, I mean to say, for a couple of years, and for 8 to 9 months, consistently I'm working very, very hard, bro. Very hard. And I believe that my strategies and the project that I've been working, and I'm working with not a smaller one. I have connection with millionaires. I know that you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I will make it prove. I mean, like, make it happen. Like, everybody will see that. See the connection of mine, and I have a couple of millionaires in connection. When it comes to connection, yeah, I have connection with couple of millionaires, not less than 10 or like around, yeah. And when it comes to my clients, so to be honest, I do not give any kind of suggestion tips or anything about stock market, but they take some suggestion from me. I know they are millionaire, they are making good money, but still they seek for help because they have their own content of advisor, their own advisors. But still I'm connected with them, and they are connected with me, even though I have their like, I don't want to tell right now, because soon I have a plan to come on live market. I'm gonna teach, I'm gonna guide, I'm gonna guiding people how to trade, how to start trading and all like that. And apart from that, the whole content is gonna be in English language. That's the reason I'm working on English as well. Nowadays I also started reading books. Like, the second book is going on, like the third, by the way, I'm also reading third book, but I couldn't finish the second one. And so meanwhile I'm also started reading third book. But let's see what happens, because I am enjoying a lot. Because the reason I'm reading books, because I want to gather a lot of knowledge, because in the future a lot of people are gonna take my interview. Like, I'm gonna be featured on television, maybe, I believe so, because I'm gonna do something big. Like, big means big, I'm not kidding. I know people are gonna laugh at me and they are saying I'm talking in air. I am not talking in an air. This is my confidence, this is my belief. If I can see it here, they will eventually happen. Nobody can stop. Nobody means nobody. That's my vision, and that's my dream, and that's I'm able to see it. I know that people are gonna laugh. I don't care. I don't give shit about it. Because the reason I'm telling you that, because I have worked a lot. To be honest, like, I've been in the market for not 4 years, 5 years, more than 5 years. I've been working on that. I've been learning. I've seen my downfall. I have lost a lot of money, not a lot of money, but according to me that was a lot of money, but I can make it in a day. Whatever, I lost it, so that's not a big deal. So I'm really excited, for my future, that I'm gonna do it. But let's see. I hope everything is, whatever is happening in the world should happen in the same way. The problem is only one. Climate change that can stop me, can resist me. This is the biggest wall for me, climate change. That is the only one thing that can stop me. Apart from that, nobody. Yeah, nobody. I have a lot of enemies. The reason I have a lot of enemies, because I tell the truth. I tell the reality in front of their face. There's the reason they have a kind of aggression towards me. I don't care if they wanna kill me. I'm in front of everyone. Like, anyone can come and can fight with me. I'm ready for that. If you wanna fight with me, hands, I'm ready. If you wanna fight with anything else, I'm ready. I'm open for that. Just kidding, guys, kidding. This is not something that I wanna do. I'm just kidding. Actually, I was talking, on such thing that is not required for this video. But to be honest, soon I'm going to start my session, like English conversation videos. I'm gonna take session. I know so many people are pending. They have messaged me. I told them I'm busy on my work, at my work and all like that. But soon I'm gonna start it, and till then I would say just keep in touch with me, guys, because English is not something that I wanna do. I have something big in my mind that I wanna do, that I already told you in these videos. Just keep in touch with me, and we'll make it change in the world, especially in India. So till then, take care, keep learning, never ever skip a single day of learning. Let's see in the future. Bye bye.